This is Stefan. His company has a problem. The design department has a mountain of data that causes more errors the bigger it gets. A lot of time is spent searching for data and tasks. These tasks are occasionally overlooked, leading to expensive changes later. Stefan's colleagues in other departments could improve their work with up-to-date CAD data and complete it sooner, but they have to request it from the design department. These requests disrupt the designer's work, especially since every change to the data must be requested or distributed again. If this is not done, all project participants work based on outdated data. This is the kind of chaos that traditional software solutions only solve at great cost and effort. Now there is a new possibility to manage data without high costs and effort: Onshape. This robust product development platform has data management already built in. This allows Stefan to store new data in a central location and make it available to everyone using cloud and web technologies. The design department can work more efficiently because of the version history and integrated release management. On top of that, all departments can access the latest design data and provide immediate feedback. It is also possible to work on and communicate live data directly with customers securely, without putting intellectual property at risk. All functions of Onshape are immediately available, thus completely eliminating implementation efforts. Even worldwide locations are linked out of the box and ready to go. Best of all, the total cost of the system is only 1/3 that of traditional solutions.